Welcome to this video on mustard microgreens, brought to you by Green Nest Microgreens. We call these the zesty powerhouse for the modern plate, and throughout this video, we'll dive into what makes them so special. Our brand style uses two key colors. Deep forest green represents our commitment to organic roots and nutritional density. Mustard yellow signals the energy, health, and zesty flavor of our microgreens. Regarding typography, we use Montserrat for all headers and bold statements for a modern, professional look. Open Sans is our body font, chosen for its high readability, ensuring our nutritional data is accessible to everyone. Here's what we'll cover. First, defining microgreens and the mustard story. Then, the health and nutritional benefits. Next, we'll look at culinary inspiration. And finally, best practices for ordering and care. Let's begin with Section 01. What are microgreens? They represent peak vitality harvested early. Microgreens are the young seedlings of edible vegetables and herbs, harvested early in their junior phase. Unlike sprouts, they grow in soil and light, developing rich chlorophyll and complex, intense flavors. Microgreens boast concentrated nutrition. Studies show they can contain up to 40 times higher concentrations of vitamins and antioxidants than their mature counterparts, offering high efficiency on your plate. Moving to Section 02, the mustard story. This is a story of bold heritage and modern growth. Mustard microgreens, or Brassica juncea, come from the broccoli and kale family. Native to the Himalayas, they are one of the fastest growing microgreens, reaching peak vitality in just 5 to 9 days. Mustard microgreens offer a zesty flavor profile with a sharp, spicy, and slightly sweet bite, similar to wasabi or horseradish. This punch adds complexity to dishes without the need for heavy sauces. The growing cycle is rapid. Day 0 is seeding, followed by germination on day 2. By day 4, they begin active growth. Peak harvest is achieved by day 7, ready for delivery to you by day 8. We now enter Section 03, Benefits Summary, focusing on health, taste, and sustainability. Mustard microgreens support immunity with high vitamin C and antioxidants. They contribute to heart health through glucosinolates and aid in detoxification processes with natural enzymes. For professionals, they are a secret ingredient, offering instant aesthetic appeal and a functional taste profile. Their longer shelf life makes them ideal for high-pressure service environments. Our urban vertical farming achieves a 95% reduction in water usage compared to traditional methods. This commitment means no pesticides, no long-haul transport, just pure, local, sustainable nutrition. We move on to Section 04, Nutrient Contents, where we provide detailed nutrition facts. Mustard microgreens often surpass mature mustard and spinach in key nutrients. Note the high levels of vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin A, as well as essential minerals like calcium per 100 grams. Mustard microgreens are a vitamin C powerhouse. They contain 70 milligrams per 100 grams, compared to 28 milligrams in spinach. This is over 20 times the vitamin C found in iceberg lettuce. These greens contain powerful compounds. Myrosinase converts glucosinolates into cell-protecting compounds. Chlorophyll supports oxygen transport, and glucosinolates are known for their anti-cancer properties. Next is Section 05, How to Consume, covering 6 practical serving ideas for incorporating these microgreens into your daily meals. Start your day with zesty smoothies. Blend a handful into your morning green smoothie for a spicy kick that pairs well with sweet fruits. It's an easy way to boost your nutrient intake. For gourmet sandwiches, replace boring lettuce with mustard microgreens. They stay crisp longer and add a peppery depth. You can also roll them into wraps for a fresh, wasabi-like finish. Use them as the ultimate taco topping. Sprinkle fresh microgreens over your tacos for a spicy crunch and visual pop that balances rich, savory fillings. Mustard microgreens act as a perfect salad booster. Use them as a base mix with other greens, or dot them around the salad for spicy surprises. Their appearance gives every bowl a chef-prepared look. They are an excellent soup garnish for instant elevation. A cold, zesty topping transforms warm soups, releasing an aromatic and complex mustard flavor, perfect for lentil or mushroom soups. Here are some Indian recipe tips. Sprinkle on dal tadka for a zesty twist, mix with paneer for a spicy paratha stuffing, or whisk into raita to add a nutty, peppery depth to your side dishes. Finally, we cover Section 06, Storage and Care, focusing on maximizing the freshness of your microgreens. To maintain freshness, keep them dry and do not wash until consumption. Store them in a breathable container, using the towel trick by placing a dry paper towel in the box, and keep them at 4 degrees Celsius. When stored correctly, our mustard microgreens stay fresh for 7 to 10 days, maintaining their peak vitality. We prioritize rapid delivery to maximize this freshness window for you. We conclude with Section 07, Order and Promote. Join the Green Nest community today. To order, simply WhatsApp FRESH to 7,972,475,135 to receive our weekly harvest menu. We deliver fresh every Tuesday and Friday morning. Ask about our weekly green subscription for a 15% monthly discount. Our promotional taglines include Small Greens, Mighty Kick, Mustard, the Zesty Detox, and Nature's Spice delivered fresh. These capture the essence of our product's flavor and health benefits. We provide a marketing toolkit featuring eco-friendly box mockups, premium label designs, and ready-to-use social media assets to help you promote the product effectively. Our promise to you is quality. We adhere to strict hygiene standards, growing every tray in 100% organic cocoa peat with zero chemical runoff. As Chef R. Sharma said, our spicy kick has changed how they garnish. Thank you for watching. Stay zesty and order today. You can contact Green Nest Microgreens at 7,972,475,135 or find us on social media at Green Nest Official. We look forward to delivering nature's peak to you.